you how to dance. Nobody ever taught you how to dance.
No, I'm gonna drink water with
Everyone
the
knows how to
best
dance.
view. Okay, guys, there's a
There's only so much time.
great view, and we are literally living above the
I
clouds.
saw his picture in the funny papers. Didn't think anybody died on a Friday. Some angry banker or some kind of money trader.
This is really amazing view, like in this villa. We're at Delhi, Nepal, and the view is really amazing, guys. Okay, so it's a beautiful morning over here. We can see the sunrise over there. There is the mountains. I wanted to talk about this, guys. So if you ever feel stuck in life, if you feel like you can't do nothing in life, or you can't solve your current problems, let's say, like the solution to your certain problems, or basically finding your love, or to network, or like the connections that you're looking for, or the business partner, or like wherever you're looking for, if you're struggling to find it right now, like, don't get stuck. Okay, so you gotta take that first step, guys. Okay, like if you take that first step, if you commit and go search for the solution, then you can definitely grab it. Okay, like it's already there. Okay, like the solution to all the problems are already out there in this world. You just go and grab it. Okay, so when you understand this, your life will be so much easier, and you'll definitely thank me later. There's a mountain, and we are literally living above the clouds. But yeah, this is the view right here, guys. And this is the villa that I'm living. The view is not bad. Yo, bro, welcome to my channel. So, can you introduce yourself to my audience?
Thank you, Manoj, for inviting me. I am Rosh. I am the founder of ROAS Marketing, and we have been running for almost 4-5 years for now. We provide email and SMS services to e-commerce brands. We work with some of the top e-com brands in the world. And welcome to Manoj's video. Let's go.
Thanks for being here. So I'd like to ask a couple of questions about how you run agency. You're running it remotely, okay? You're chilling it out here, like in this beautiful villa, in Delhi, Nepal, and you're running the agency, serving clients like internationally. So how do you operate your agency, like managing team and everything online?
Okay, great question, Manoj. Initially, we had a hybrid team system. So I had an office, and my team used to come in office and work from office. But I found that a little bit more challenging. That's why we switch everything to remote, and most of my team members work from home. Some of them do come to office sometimes and work from office as well. And we use mainly tools like ClickUp, Figma, Slack for communication and project management. ClickUp has helped me a lot, actually. It has made our whole project management system way smoother, and that's mainly it. We communicate through Slack. We use project management tool like ClickUp and Figma for designs and creatives, and that's mainly it.
Great, man. So Roshan, where do you think the retention marketing for e-commerce will go in 2025? What's your take on this?
The retention marketing, the term retention marketing, it has been there for ages, actually. Since the start of internet and everything, the email marketing has been there. But in the recent days, like in 2025 and so on, the industry is definitely going to grow because, the cost of acquiring new leads, the advertorial cost, the creative cost, and everything to run an e-commerce brand, it has exponentially increased. And with the new tools, new AI tools and so on, I think retention marketing industry is going to grow, especially email and SMS industry, because to acquire a lead and then retarget them again and again and increase the customer's lifetime value, that is a very important thing for every brand owners and every brand actually to grow. So retention marketing in 2025, I see a very good growth potential. It's not an industry that's going to dry and die.
What do you think will be the first step to start retention marketing for e-commerce?
In 2025, to get started with retention marketing for any e-com brands would be to first acquire email profiles and SMS profiles, right? And the best way to do that will be from your default Klaviyo's or MailChimp's or whatever software you use to use the sign-up form of those software. And you can test out different sign-up forms like full page sign-up forms, flyouts, or just normal pop-ups. And there are some tools as well like Amped or Opt-in Monk, which you can use. Those are third-party apps where they are specifically made for creating sign-up forms, and we have seen around 15 to 30% submit rate using those tools. So definitely try it for your brand, which works, right? And then it's more about, you know, warming your domain and warming your customers, making sure that they get to know about their brand, not just from your ads and stuff, but also from emails and SMS. And that's how you can promote your offer, and that's the best way to start with retention marketing.